When life's busy, it can be so hard to get in those 2 serves of fruit and 5 serves of veggies that you need every day. But it's so good for you, so I'm going to show you a little trick, which is my green smoothie, which packs a lot of goodness in quickly. So I'm going to put everything into the Magimix blend cup. And the reason I love this is that everything goes in here. It's dishwasher safe, which means I don't have to do any cleaning, but it's my cup and it's also how I blitz all the ingredients together. So lots of green baby spinach. I'm going to also add some avocado. So you're trying to get those healthy fats into your diet, and avocado is a really nice source of that. Please always chop on the board. We see a lot of avocado hand in medicine. Lots of nerve and tendon injuries. Look at that, avocado goes in. I like to add some orange juice. So this is a nice way to add a little bit of sweetness in here, and also some vitamin C, which is really good for your immune health, also for wound healing. So let's pop that in. And a nice big squeeze of orange juice goes in, a wonderful source of vitamin C. I like to add some strawberries, again for some sweetness. So it's really nice. I'm not adding any additional sweeteners in here. I'm getting all the flavours, all the sweetness from the orange and the strawberry. You could probably put the green bits in, but I just remove them. I'm used to doing that. Wonderful. And then we just add some yogurt. Now, yogurt is a wonderful way to get some dairy into the diet. Bit of calcium, good for your bones. I just put a dollop of that in. And then some water, just because I don't want this too thick. So I want my smoothie to be packed with goodness, but ideally not too thick so that I can get it out of here. Now, let's pop the lid on. So easy. Here we go. And we're going to blitz in the cup that we're going to drink from. Has come together beautifully. Look at that, all that goodness is packed in here. Oh, looks so good. And smells fantastic too, those strawberries, the avocado. And the great thing about this lid is you can have this green smoothie on the go whilst you're going to work, or if you're doing the school drop-off, and you get lots of goodness in at the same time.